All right, guys, here we are in a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. All keys lost. Got our cluster pulled out. Got our 2019 cable plugged in, ready to go. I'm going to spin this around here in a little bit, but got our key already made, ready to go. We just got it in the ignition. So we're going to go ahead and go to mobilizer, connect. Ignition's on. It's really irrelevant because we have this powered up with our 2019. So we're going to go to all keys lost. All right, good. All right, yes, we have that. We are connected. All right, so we got to pogo pin this. I have pictures of it, so I'm going to go ahead, spin this cluster around. It's kind of hard to do all this here, so give me 1 second. We're going to hit OK here. We have our pin. Kind of hard to see. I'll show you pictures, but there it is. I'm going to hit OK. Okay, I didn't hear anything. So we'll look at it real quick once we hit OK. All right. All right, as you can see, only the brake light is illuminated right past my thumb there. So we're good. I'm gonna hit yes. All right, we got access granted. Reading memory. Just reset our cluster. There's our VIN, our CS data, what key it actually takes. We're gonna go ahead and take a picture of this just to have. All right, we're gonna hit OK. All right, so select yes if you want to add new keys without deleting, or no if we want to delete. So we're gonna go ahead and just add. You can do it either way. So you can delete all keys and just add your one, or you can just add your one without deleting. So we're just gonna use one. All right, so we got our key in the ignition. We're gonna hit OK once we plug everything back in. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the back of the cluster back on. I'm not gonna screw it in. Let me go ahead and get this seated back here, and then we'll cycle it on and hit OK. We'll be right back. All right, so here we are. We got our cluster back in right there. All right, so after this is complete, we're gonna turn the ignition on and hit OK. So we'll turn our ignition on. As you can see, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. So we're gonna hit OK. Sorry guys, the windshield wipers are going and I don't know how to shut them off. Communication failure, no big deal. We're just gonna hit OK. At this point, we should be okay. We see 3 of 3 right here. So that means there's now 3 keys in the system. It's saw number 3. We're gonna shut it off, remove our key. We have mileage. We turn it back on, our mileage should stay there, which it does. So we're gonna go ahead and fire it up. And there we are. As you can see, our keys are in and you're good to go. 2016 Volkswagen Jetta, all keys lost with the 2019 cable.